Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Yes, so this is a new product I have. It is the tea tree oil. Probably you hear about this oil before, and it is also a miracle oil. 100% Australian tea tree oil. Yes, so it's amazing, guys, because this product is also good for pimples and it's also good for ear growth. So if you want to grow your hair long and strong, and yeah, and it is also good for those deep razor bumps. Yeah, guys, you need to use this and try it out. So every product have side effects. There's not one product that never have a side effect because people have different skin. So if it cause irritation on your skin, stop using the product, okay? And also do not apply to broken skin, like if your skin bleeding or if you have a sore or something, do not use it. Okay, wait until it at least heal up or some. Yeah. But this product is really good for deep, deep down pimples. Like right now I have one right here and I'm using it and it is working, so I guess it will work for most people that have maybe the skin type like mine, skin sensitive. So guys, make sure you purchase your tea tree oil. Yes guys, make sure you purchase your tea tree oil and use it. Like you don't have to use a lot, you can use like one drop or whatsoever. Yeah, so avoid contact with eyes because yeah, you don't want to get blind, you know. So that's it for me today. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment down below what you think about the tea tree oil, if you ever use it before.
Me down, you can't tell me what we do, what we